Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Porsche Panamera. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.